And in our customers.xsodata, we are going to expose one particular calculation view. So in here I am exposing CV underscore customer orders, which we had created earlier, and pass a parameter called IV input, and we will obtain the result. So for that, let us copy the qualified name for our CV underscore customer orders and paste it in our XSOdata service. Delete dot calculation view and give another colon before our calculation view's name. Give an alias name. In here I am going to give customer orders CV, and we are going to generate a local ID. For that, let us specify key generate local, and I'm going to follow this by parameter via entity, the input parameter name. In here I'm going to give IV underscore city, and I am going to give the results property as execute. So we have an error here. We have to define the name as parameters in here, and let us activate this XSOdata service. So now let us concentrate on how to send this parameter to our calculation view. So for that, let us open our calculation view customer orders to check what is an input parameter and how to use it in our URL. In here, IV underscore input is the name of our input parameter. So let us copy that, and this IV input is used to filter the record based on the city. So let us open our browser, and in our root folder type in the IV underscore city, and within the brackets give IV underscore input equal to followed by the city name slash execute. So we have to define the city name in here. So for that, let us go and open the contents of the customers table to see which parameter we can send as an input parameter. So in here there is a London city name, so we are going to define London here and execute. So as you can see here, the records of CV underscore customer orders are filtered based on the customer's city, that is London. In here you can see London, and only the records with city as London are displayed and all other records are discarded. So this is how you will send a parameter to your calculation view from XSOdata and receive the result. So this can be achieved with both analytical view and calculation view. So now we have completed the step 9 of creating XSOdata. Let us go to the step 10, and step 10 is customer exits. So what are customer exits? So there will be particular built-in functionality in XSOdata for creating a record, deleting a record, and updating a record. So if there is a requirement to bypass that and use your custom exit, you can use the custom exit functionality provided for XSOdata. So in the step 11 and 12, I will explain what are the types of custom exits available in XSOdata and how to use them. So for that, let us go to the next step,